How to recover or reset DIB Mobile username or password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have forgotten the username or password of your Dubai Islamic Bank online banking, then in this video I will guide you on how you can recover or reset that. For this, launch open the DIB Mobile app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and then search for DIB Mobile. Now have this application installed on your device. Now you want to tap on the open option. Here, tap on the login to your account option. Now normally you can enter your username and password here and tap on the login option. However, if you have forgotten either your username or password, you can reset that from here. For this, tap on forgot login details option. Now it's going to ask you if you have forgotten your username or password. If you have forgotten username, tap on the first option. Now, in order to reset your username, you will have to enter the 16-digit card number. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, the next step is to enter your 4-digit card PIN. Now tap on the continue option. Now follow the on-screen instructions in order to reset your username. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot your password option. Now you will find a couple of options here. If you only want to reset your password, tap on the first option. Now you will have to enter your username on the first box. Then you will have to enter your 16-digit card number. Next step is to enter the 4-digit card PIN. Now tap on the continue option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your DIB mobile password, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.